Hi there, Diamond Seat friends and family. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're here inside of our shipping facility getting ready together with our operations teams for our annual company-wide Christmas lunches. It's been an incredible year filled with lots of love and just amazing people that we're excited to gather with. So let's go check it out. This idea, we serve one another really well. Everyone here has a stake in the game, right? Everyone here has a hand in how we serve one another. So we made that the theme of the shirt this year. Last year was extraordinary, saying this year is serve one another. I know it's just a t-shirt, but that t-shirt is a reminder of the task ahead of us as we continue to grow and move into the future. Everyone has a stake in it, and when we serve one another really well, we will accomplish, without a shadow of a doubt, some really amazing things as we move forward that are all about fueling the growth and success of our team members, our customers, and our community abroad. Merry Christmas!